suppose you have carbon with a positive charge. Again, carbon with a positive charge. Carbon with a positive charge. And if I write it as R attached to one of the alkyl groups. R is an alkyl group. In the second case, I'll take 2R, and in the third case, I'll take 3R. Okay, now R is an alkyl groups. Now rest of the valency, it is satisfied by hydrogen atom. So here we have two hydrogen atom. Here we have one hydrogen atom, and in the last case, no hydrogen atom. Whenever it is two hydrogen atom, we consider it as a primary carbocation, 1 degree carbocation. Why 1 degree? Because the positively charged carbon is attached to how many R? There is only one alkyl group or one carbon atom. So the carbon is attached to one carbon, what you call as primary. Whereas here the positively charged carbon is attached to two alkyl groups. Two alkyl groups, and therefore it should be considered as a secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation. And finally the positively charged carbon. The positively charged carbon is attached to three alkyl groups. Three alkyl groups, so what you call it as tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation. So we have 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree carbocation, and we need to find out the stability of carbocation. Now students, is alkyl groups, there is a separate section of reactive intermediates where we consider the factors stabilizing it, what we call as inductive effect and hyperconjugation. That we'll be learning it later on, but for the time being just remember that alkyl groups, that is R, alkyl groups are electron releasing or electron donating. Now if R is electron releasing, so in primary carbocation there is one R, so it donates electrons. As a result, this positive charge carbon, that it reduces the positive charge carbon. So if it reduces the positive charge carbon, that will disperse the positive charge. And if the charge disperses, we had a concept called as charge decreases stability increases. Charge decreases, stability increases. I repeat, charge decreases, stability increases. Charge decreases, stability increases. Alkyl groups are electron releasing. We will learn it later on. We have a different section for that, factors affecting that stability part. There is something called as inductive effect. We will come across the terms later on. But positively charged carbon gets stabilized. Positive charge carbon gets stabilized. Now alkyl groups are electron releasing. Donates electrons. As a result, the positive charge is reduced. Whereas students, if you consider in secondary carbocation, there are two alkyl groups, so it will reduce the positive charge to a much greater extent. As a result, the positive charge still reduces or decreases. Whereas in tertiary carbocation, students, there are three alkyl groups that will still more reduce the positive charge to a much greater extent. So tertiary, secondary and primary carbocation, what do you think students, which should be more stable? Yes, more the number of alkyl groups, more will be the stability. So whenever you consider the order of stability of carbocation, it has to be tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. So the order of stability of carbocation has to be 3 to 1.